Hello, well, good afternoon. Well, I've got something super, I think, for you. Nice bargain here. This Rolson says all-purpose brush. Well, fantastic wheel brush, really. Look at it. What would you pay for that? Well, we know what we'd pay for it, don't we? If it was a wheel brush in a detailing shop. Anyway, get yourself down to Tesco, and at the moment they've got these on for £2.50 on special offer. And look at that. That's fantastic, isn't it? That's virtually identical to what we pay, what, £15, something like that, for £20. So we'll go with it. Let's see what it's like. Let's see what it does. What I'm using is what's left of the Koch Chemie Rapid Rinseless Wash. It's what I've been using it all week. Clean the car with it, clean the caravan with it. Still some left. I'm going to just rub it over the wheels now. Got a bit left in my IK sprayer. So I'll put a bit over here. Tell you what, these are going to take some cleaning up when I'm done. I'm doing this on purpose. I want to see how clean these come. These are being put through the mill on purpose for a reason. Generally, I do things for a reason, as you know. So let's see how we go, shall we? I'm impressed with this Rapid Rinseless. Yeah, a turtle wax bucket. Like these, they don't hold all that much water. I can pick them up. You know, I don't fill them too much. Tell you what I did do as an experiment once. It made absolutely no difference. I drilled them and put magnets on there. Look, made no difference at all. Absolutely none at all. And another thing I did. Let me see if I can get this out to show you. I got these from the range. These are the same as the Chemical Guys ones, only these were about £3, I think. And I cut down all around the outside there and chopped the feet down, and they fit perfectly in these buckets. And I put one on top of the other, and you got the best of both worlds. That's an absolutely super way of making sure there's absolutely no grit comes up there at all now. None. So, yep, it's a perfect way of doing it. Anyway, we'll get this wheel done eventually, won't we? This Rapid Rinseless, they do say that they've not got much cleaning power. Well, we know that Fat Nutas, this has got some cleaning power, I can tell you. The caravan, that was covered in fly poo. It had little black spots all over it, and all over the aluminium shrouds, all down the sides. And for years and years, all sorts of different cleaners I couldn't get it off with. And this took it off like nothing I've ever seen before. So whatever's in this Rapid Rinseless, it's got some cleaning power. There's no doubt about it. So anyway, this has been on for a little while now, look. You can see it's started to emulsify the muck on this, look. You can see that, look. It's doing it. Let's give it a bit of a wipe over. I don't want to do the tyres too much because I haven't got anything at all to put on them. Look at it doing the wheels. I've got nothing at all to clean the wheels with. All we've got is what we've got in his hands here. This is it. So let's have a look, shall we? I do keep my wheels pretty clean, so we don't need a lot. This brush is great. I think this is pretty much as close to the I think it's a Viking brush, and it's pretty much as close to one of those as what you're going to get. I had a great big long one about this big, what you used to do underneath the sills with, and I chopped it down. But it's not as nice as this, because this has got this nice little bellied out bit. But I thought, I bought this really to just put on here and show you people, so hopefully you can nip out and go buy yourself one and save yourself some money, because you know what I'm like. If I can get you lot to save yourself some money, I'll do it for you. If I can't, you know that. If you lot can, by the way, watch the videos a little bit longer because of this watch time thing, so if you lot can watch the videos longer, watch 2 or 3 videos if you don't mind, or watch the videos all the way through, or not even watch them, just oh, look at the muck coming off, or just leave them running. Just leave them running, you know, put them on and leave them running. Put a playlist on and leave it running a bit for me, please. YouTube don't care. They're getting their money off their advertising, and it'll help me no end. It'll keep my channel running, and I'll get there then. That's lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my cloth. I hope the cloth's going to come clean, eh? Look at that. These are quite nice cloths. They are. But these are my bodywork cloths, you know, for doing me cleaning off when we're done. You know, dusting, drying off and that. So I'm doing this on purpose. I want to see the cleaning power of some washing detergents. I've got a washing detergent test coming up soon, so we'll see how good some of these super duper powders are, that liquids are, that's supposed to light the world up and you know, set the universe on fire. We'll see, because if it can get these clean, I'll be impressed. I know what to get these clean, and I'll show it afterwards. If those liquids don't get this clean, I'll demonstrate what will get this clean. Look at that, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. And my tyres like brand new, look. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Bit of old leftover rinseless. Bit of an old rag cloth. What's left of it now? Should come up like new when it's been washed properly. Should. If some of these detergents are supposed to be what you know, what the manufacturers claim that they are, crikey, if they're as good as what they say, you put them in like that and go like that and they come out better than new. You probably know what I mean. We'll soon find out, because I bought them and I have them ready to test. Just lining up everything to try and make a proper scientific test of it all. Getting it all together. It's trying to get everything together to make it so that you lot can see that it's all genuine I don't want anybody or any of the manufacturers coming and saying I haven't done it right, so I'm going to do it all. It's going to be very difficult to do it all. I can't do it live completely because the washing machine is going to be going for hours and hours on end. I need to run it and do the tests. There's going to be lots and lots of microfiber cloths because I need to do the test repeatedly. You can't just put it in the bucket and do one test. That's just not going to be good enough. Need to be repeatable to show that it's repeatable. So it's going to be quite a job. It needs to be thought out a little bit. I've been thinking about it for quite a while, and my wife's put more effort into it, I must say, than what I have. It's up her street really, this one. So it's a good one, isn't it? This, we were talking about a brush, and we're on to the washing powder. But yeah, we're going to get there. I'm going to filthy this cloth to death, and we're going to see if it comes clean. I've lost one of these actually, so we're not doing bad. We might wind up with 2 out of 4. It's all right, it's the same colour, isn't it? Does it look the same colour? But holiday's just about done. We've done a video almost every day while we've been here, so we've had some fun, haven't we? Yeah. So adding eclipse the other night, didn't we? That was because of the Russian blue, wasn't it? Was it the Russian blue that brought the eclipse on? I think it was. It was that good, it impressed me that much, it brought the eclipse on, I think. I think so. Got to have a laugh, haven't you? Everything. If you're not having a laugh, it ain't worth it, is it? You've got to have some fun. Right, so there we go. Go to Tesco, go and get yourself a brush for £2.50 and you've saved yourself nearly 20 quid. And look out for this washing powder test, washing liquid test. It's coming soon, well, soon. Sometime soon. I've got to buy a load more stuff yet and get it all worked out what to do. All right then, thank you very much for looking as always. Bye for now, see you on the next one.